In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a US PayPal account from anywhere in the world. Step-by-Step Guide, 2024. Before we begin, here's the most important point. You cannot legally create a US PayPal account unless you actually live in the United States. PayPal requires your account country to match your real country of residence and your verification documents. A U.S. account requires a U.S. address, U.S. government-issued ID, and U.S.-based bank details. Accounts are country-specific, and you generally cannot change the country later. If you move, you'll need to open a new account in your new country. With that clear, here's how to set up your PayPal the right way so you can still work with U.S. clients from anywhere. Open your browser and go to paypal.com. Click Sign up to start. You'll see two options, personal and business. Choose personal if you're an individual buyer, freelancer, or contractor. Choose business if you're registering on behalf of a company and need features like business name visibility and additional reporting. Picking the correct type now helps avoid verification issues later. Next, select your country of residence. Make sure you choose the country where you actually live today. This determines the features available to you, the verification documents you'll be asked for, and the fees and currencies supported in your region. Enter your real address, phone number, and identification details exactly as they appear on your official documents. Consistency matters. Mismatched information can trigger holds or rejection during verification. Use a phone number you can receive codes on, and make sure your name matches the name on your bank account or card. Now link your local bank or card. Most major banks and card networks work with PayPal, but availability varies by country. Linking helps you add funds, withdraw earnings, and confirm your identity. If PayPal sends small verification deposits to your bank, follow the prompts to confirm them. Keep in mind that the name on your bank or card must match the name on your PayPal to avoid delays. Here's the good news. Even with a non-US PayPal account, you can receive payments from US clients worldwide and send or receive USD. Depending on your country, you can hold funds in USD or convert to your local currency. Fees, withdrawal options, and currency conversion rules differ by region, so review the details on PayPal's site for your country. To wrap up, use paypal.com, sign up for the right account type, select your true country of residence, provide accurate information, and link your local bank or card. You'll stay compliant and still get paid by U.S. clients without needing a U.S. PayPal account.